Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Clinton Egberson, filmmaker and photographer based in Nigeria. Hope you guys are doing lovely. Let's get right into today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how you can get your first 1 million naira as a videographer or cinematographer. If you think this is something you'd like to listen to, I'll see you guys immediately after the intro. See you guys there. Drum rolls. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So you may have seen the thumbnail and you're asking yourself, how is this possible? How can I do this? Is this really something that's feasible? Yes, if you can follow every single step that I will be dropping in this video, I promise you are well on your way to make your first 1 million naira as a videographer or cinematographer. Now, first of all, I need to give you some tips in order for you to be able to land your first 1 million naira. And I advise that please that you stay till the end of the video. And that's when I'll be dropping the main process on how you can actually nail your first 1 million naira as a videographer. Let's get it. Number one tip is for you to change your professional outlook. If you are going to earn more money as a videographer or a cinematographer, you need to be more professional. You need to throw away all beginner habits that you've had in the past. What do I mean by having a professional outlook? Number one is how you interact with your clients on negotiations. Secondly is the use of contracts, mood boards, video treatments, and so on. So making use of professional tools and selling yourself to be more professional would draw bigger clients to you. If you're somebody that does not have a proper professional outlook, there is no way you can land proper clients. So you need to learn how to draft proposals. You need to learn how to draft video treatments. You need to know how to negotiate properly. You need to know how to communicate with your clients. All these little things come together in order for you to land better clients. Second tip would be learning how to take clean images. What do I mean by clean images? In today's world, we value quality over every other thing. Story is important in videography, but if you can make your video as crispy and beautiful as possible, that will land you better clients. You are in a visual business and you have to realize that the visuals you are bringing to your clients in order to land better clients has to look crisp. Your video has to look good. It has to look clean. And most of the time when you can capture visuals that look very, very clean, you start landing high-paying clients that are interested in working with you. So 2 ways you can improve your videos to actually look more quality is number one, investing in lighting. Most important, your color grading skills. If you can improve your editing skills and you can invest in proper lighting, I can assure you that you are well on your way in landing big clients. Thirdly is to gather portfolios. Now, if you have been so worried about shooting for low budget clients, you might as well not be so worried about it, because these low budget clients that you've had, you can use them to create some form of portfolio based on the clients that you are trying to target. If you have a particular target client and you feel that the next project, you can take a free project, or you can look for somebody that does that particular project but does not have enough money to pay you. Use the video as some form of reference to those bigger clients that you actually want to land. It will give you more reach to high-paying clients. If you are going to take your business to the next level, you need to have a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is telling your clients that you know what you are doing and you have some form of experience shooting what they need. Fourthly is teamwork. Teamwork can never be overemphasized. Let me put it this way. You need to prioritize teamwork as a filmmaker because of the professional sense behind it. Now, let me give you an instance. In this industry, a client will rather pay 4 people 1 million naira than to pay 1 million naira to one person. And this is because of the idea of teamwork. It will give your clients more assurance when you go on set as a team and not an individual, and they feel like you just want to eat their money or you are just trying to make all the profit for yourself. It makes you look selfish and greedy. In order for you to look like a more trustworthy person towards your client, you need to go as a team. It could be a friend of yours, somebody to hold the lights for you that you are going to pay at the end of the day. But that's teamwork or that team effort or coming as a team, a media team, would give your clients more assurance. If you have gotten to this point of the video, I would love to tell you the final process that you can use to create 1 million naira as a videographer starting out. Now, all you first need to do is to find a niche. It could be food, it could be real estate, it could be anything. Who basically sell a product. Now what you are going to do is you are going to find a way to go to their Instagram pages, find their Instagram handles, and find out if they post more pictures than videos. Now if they post more pictures than videos, you are going to draft a proposal stating that you want to transform their page or you want to produce video content for them and use the leverage of this. Instagram is moving from an image-based content to a video-based content. So everything I'm saying now, you have to state it in your proposal, and you have to state in your proposal how moving from an image-based content to a video-based content will increase their reach and let them have more customers. By the time you can inform your clients that you can get them more customers with the service that you are about to render to them, you sound like a more reasonable person. So you might be asking yourself, why do I need to draft a proposal? Now, the reason why you are drafting a proposal is to state the reasons why they need to transition from photo-based content to video-based content. Then you give them the statistics on how video transforms their outlook as a business and allows them reach more people on social media. If you need a sample of my own proposal that I send out, you can find out. I'll put a link in the description so that you can go there and download it. It is absolutely going to be free. So after you've drafted out the proposal, you send it out to everybody. Just go on Instagram and find the niche that you are trying to supply, then send out these proposals to them. The trick behind any business is if you can identify their problem and also offer a solution, they will take you seriously and offer you money. They are offering value for what you are getting, and at the same time you are earning too in the process. So I'm going to leave a link in my bio for the link of the portfolio so that you can get context on how I send my own proposals. So the tip is this: you need to reach out to small business owners that really need the social media presence. You need to find clients that are looking for social media visibility. That is how you are able to get more people. Don't look for big corporations that already have millions to spend. Just look for people that are trying to look for social media visibility. Make the pricing as affordable as you can so that they can be able to pay you. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and you know what to do.